We are a wild bird sanctuary, and I was hesitant to, sacrifice more room at the sanctuary to squeeze in more exotics. When we got there, you saw the conditions, and I just realized these people are way in over their heads. Conditions not great. Lots of mosquitoes, next to the swampy area. They're basically sort of abandoned outside. They're almost like feral birds. They had improper branches and perches. They had nothing to file their nails or their beaks on. And they wanted a better home for the birds, and I couldn't ethically turn my back and say no and leave those birds there.
I know, I'm sorry. Okay.
The restraint is very fast. These birds are not going to step up. They're not going to be bribed by treats. They're scared. We wear gloves, and either with a towel or a sheet, we can throw the towel completely over them, covering the heads and everything, so that you can do a restraint through the towel.
Yep, good. Okay, wings.
We got their wings trimmed, so just in case there's an escape, they can't fly off. And nails trimmed and beak trimmed. You're trying to always secure the head, the business end, and the rest of the body is not dangerous. You can kind of like hug the rest of the body, but you want to have the head restrained very tightly right behind the skull. We try to keep their eyes closed so they can't see a whole lot. They can't bite you and fight.
Just leave those last two or three for us. He's so cute. He's like, let's make sure we have all our stuff, and let's get out of here. Have them sign real quick. Have to cover them. Cover them. All right. His beak is severely overgrown. It's years and years of overgrowth. So we're going to try to cut off the excess, and then with the Dremel tool, we file it and shape it back into the form that it should be. It doesn't hurt the bird. It's kind of like just filing your fingernails.
Already a lot better. So we went and got these birds, and now settled in a cage. We'll give them good food and a few days of acclimation, and then they'll have vet checks. We'll make sure they're not diseased. We'll give them an x-ray. A big focus is going to be on getting them back to their physical health. We'll weigh them to see if they weigh what they're supposed to weigh, and focus on just really good nutrition. But today's the first day of their new life.